Alright, welcome back to Jaybird Tries His NES Skills. Hit start.
Okay. Boom.
Again, 2 buttons. You just want to get to the top and save the princess. What up, Sawyer?
It's me. Oh.
Nice.
Jump. Oh, this is how you jump. Hey, he could skip. Can they skip? Because if they skip, I'm dead.
Nice, dude. If you get that hammer, jump straight up. I was trying to get you to avoid that. You have to just jump straight up. You can't jump like to the side.
What was that?
What was that?
What's that?
Get it. Get the balls. There you go. Or the barrels.
Can I go up with this?
You cannot go up the ladders, but you can kind of set yourself up to go up a ladder. Oh my god. Go up. Get away from Donkey Kong. There you go. Because sometimes he drops the barrel like right below him, like right there. See that? Now kind of just wait until there's an opening to go up that ladder like now. But you have to jump right away. Oh.
It doesn't let me jump.
You can't jump when you're on the ladder. You got to get off the ladder.
Oh. See, I thought I might be.
Hey,
I could jump
that's
off.
NES problems right there, bro.
No. Hi, me. Go, die.
You don't have to get the hammer,
I know.
but it seems like you like to.
Sure do.
It is. Oh, watch out! Oh, see, that's why it's you don't want to be directly below Donkey Kong because you don't want to get hit blindside by one of those. Oh, what was that? What was that?
That was cheap.
And is that game over? That is game over. What do you think of that, Sawyer?
It's cool.
It's cool.
Yeah.
You gonna try again?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
One last try and then I'm done.
Jaybird's second attempt. Is this harder than the Ghosts and Goblins?
No. This is way easier. He only has 4 barrels. Yes, let's go.
You can rush up there. You don't need to get that hammer. If he passes that ladder, yep, you can rush up there. Okay. Nope, wait for these ones. You can rush up there.
It doesn't let me go up.
You weren't lined up with the ladder. You were a little bit to the left. I got it on video, bro. You're on video.
I know.
You're on video.
Go up. I thought you could go
Okay,
up.
go to a little to the left and try to go up that ladder.
Okay.
See?
Dad!
And it can let you go up. You got to be right lined up. It's easy.
God, I didn't know that.
Gotta wait. Which one's he gonna go up? Nice.
2.
Oh wow, you kind of went early. Go, and jump. Nice. Go to the opening. A good opening. Wow.
I'm a god.
You're a legend, bro. Let's see if you can finally beat this level. Gotta wait for that opening. And there it was. There it is. Go. Make sure you jump over that barrel. Oh, dang, you didn't have to jump over that barrel. You did it, Jay.
Second
You did it.
attempt. Oh, what the heck?
Well, there's other levels, bro. Actually, there's 2 levels on this game. Actually, 3 levels, if I remember correctly.
What's this right here? Oh, I'm already almost up. I can't just walk on there?
No,
Fortnite's way better.
I agree.